Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Red Zone Watch, and the title of the video is Disrespectful 19-year-old with Horrible Attitude Meets No Nonsense Cop. Let's get it, man. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about. This is probably gonna be another good one.
Man, what are you doing? No, you shut up. No, I'm not going to. Get away from the car.
Oh, ma'am, you're gonna get hurt. You have to step away from the vehicle.
Out of the road. Get out of the roadway.
Hey!
On May 28, 2022, a patrol vehicle performed a traffic stop on a car after it made 2 quick lane changes without signaling. Initially, the situation appears calm and under control, but tensions quickly escalate once the officers begin their line of questioning.
Copy. 2013 Chevy expired.
Can't hear you. You're driving. When you pulled that little stunt over there, how you cut everybody off and accelerate like a crazy person?
I wasn't.
Ma'am, there's traffic heavy here. There's no need for that. That's caused accidents. So I need your license.
What's the attitude about it?
Because your driving's horrible. There's no need for it. You could have caused 2 or 3 accidents.
No, I was driving so I wouldn't cause no accident.
No, you were driving aggressively.
I was getting away from the traffic because
You know what?
They wasn't even going.
There's bumper to bumper traffic at 91 at this hour. You should not be driving that way. You were so lucky that you didn't cause an accident.
No, I wasn't doing 91, and then the lady wasn't even doing the speed limit that I was behind, so I went beside.
Do you know what the speed limit is right here?
It's not. She was doing.
What's the speed limit? No, it's 25.
She wasn't doing 25. She was doing at least 15.
Well, she can do 15.
She can do 15, but
Yeah.
I can't do over.
You can't drive aggressively and you change lanes.
So she can do 16. Why is it? Because of her race?
She doesn't feel safe. That's not a violation. 15 and 20.
Oh my goodness. Listen to what you just said. She could do 15, but I can't do over. The sign says speed limit. That means you can't go over. Come on, like within reason, yeah, you can go slower. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on. That's duh. But yeah, something don't seem right. Something don't seem right, because he asked for license and registration, and we about 2-3 minutes into it, and she ain't give it up yet.
5. It's just slow speed. No.
So you allowed to go slow in the 25
Well, that's your judge of how fast she's going. Did you have her on radar or something?
No, she
or
was going in the stream and stuff, sir.
Well, okay, that's fine, but you can't be aggressive like that, whipping out. You don't have the right of way to change the lane unless it's clear. You can use any signal. Oh, you just cut it over. You just cut it over and get it.
I did use
All right, I need your license. I need your insurance.
I did use it. So you said I didn't?
I just need your license and insurance, ma'am.
No, I'm asking a question. I'm allowed to ask questions.
I understand that, but I need your license.
I did use the signal.
She don't want to give it up.
You can do a signal.
That ain't right.
No. License, insurance, please. Okay, that's a license. You don't have insurance?
I do have insurance. I said I don't have my insurance card with me.
Okay.
Sir.
Can you bring it up on your phone or no? I'll be back. Come out of the car for me, please. I need you to step out of the car.
Yeah, and I'm asking.
Your license is suspended.
Okay, my license. I just made a payment. It's not. It's Saturday.
Well, and then we go by the computer, and the computer is suspended. Do you have any paperwork on you? So anyway, I need you to step out of the car.
You need me to step out of the car?
Because I asked you. So please step out of the car.
You have to get smart. See, you're being
Step out of the car, ma'am. Step out of the car.
Rude with me since he walked up to the car.
Okay. Well, ma'am, but we saw you have to follow his orders and step out, and we'll talk about it back at his vehicle, okay?
And his vehicle?
We're going to go back here because we don't want
You're not under arrest right now.
here. We're just going to come back
So
this
just
way.
come on out of the car. We got paperwork to do. All right, leave your purse there for me. All right, you don't have anything on you? No weapons, anything like that?
No.
Okay, we're going to put you in the back of the car.
You're going to come back.
In the back of my ear?
No, the police car. You have nothing on you? What's in your pocket right there? In your right pocket? Nothing? Okay.
Okay. Why? Just because I'm black don't mean I got weapons.
No. Let's
Sir?
ma'am, yes, everything. I'm just gonna do a quick pat down on you. Make sure you don't have any weapons that we can't see. Okay. All right. Just go ahead. Just face the car real quick. All right. All right. We're gonna have you. You're not under arrest. Okay. We're just having you have a seat in the back of his car. Okay. You said your driver's license. You're not aware it's suspended, or what's going on with that?
I have to have an SR22 for my license to be valid.
Okay.
And I paid it, but by it being a Saturday, it's not gonna go through. I got paid yesterday.
Okay. Did you pay it today, or did you pay it yesterday?
I paid it today. And it's
You
not
paid it today.
Do you have
a receipt that shows you paid it?
I do.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
All right. Well, you weren't on trying.
Medical marijuana card?
Medical marijuana?
Medical marijuana card.
No, I don't.
Because your card doesn't smell like marijuana.
Okay, but I haven't been.
I smell weed. That's the go-to. I'm telling you. That's the go-to. That's the number one go-to. You know, they know everybody smoke, man. You know, I don't. But, you know, a lot of people do. It's very common nowadays, you know. But that's been the go-to for years. In order to search a vehicle, you know.
Okay.
Okay.
I haven't.
Have you had somebody else in your car that's been smoking?
I had someone else in my car, but I haven't been smoking.
And you wear also your
And she admitted it.
Places inside. I got everything. Yeah, everything is in the mix of it. It's so much stuff going on. It's like I have the check in the line is on, so you have to.
So you have to pass that before you can get the plates.
But I have the appointment on Monday.
Okay.
To get it.
On Memorial Day?
Oh yeah, it is Memorial Day, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm supposed to have it on Monday. I don't think they're gonna do no work on Monday.
She lied.
Yeah,
All right, so see if you can find a receipt for that SR22, and we'll see what's going on, okay? If there is marijuana in your vehicle, where would it be?
It's not no marijuana in the vehicle at all.
Okay, somebody was smoking?
Yeah.
Okay.
But that's what he smelled. It's not no marijuana at all.
Okay, well, because we smell it, we're still going to check to make sure there's nothing in the vehicle, okay? And you're going to be issued a citation for, you know, everything that's going on. Obviously, the expired plates and stuff like that, okay? So just give us a few moments, all right? And we'll get everything figured out, all right? Okay.
Nah, son ain't right.
So you have air back here? All right.
After going back and forth with the suspect, both officers are very suspicious of the woman. And rightly so. It's pretty obvious that she's just making up the story as she goes. But for now, let's give her the benefit of the doubt and see what the officers find when searching her car.
We got a roach. Which, if someone was smoking in the car, I mean, there probably would be a roach in the ashtray.
Oh. Oh.
127, she's got some sort of surveying stuff radio.
Okay. Do you want the small roach?
Yeah, she doesn't seem to think that is.
I have a bag in mine.
Yeah.
I'll get it.
All right, thank you.
Okay, so you do have a roach in your car. All right, there's a little bit of marijuana, and there's some shake underneath the passenger floorboard. That's what's giving us the smell. All right. So you can't have people in your car, whether you're the one smoking or somebody else. Okay. Okay. All right.
questions about that or no? Get your purse. You're all set.
They don't care about that. It's so racist. I can't wait to tell.
All right, we're done here. We're done here, guys. Go on. We're done here.
You're done.
You thought that was the end of it? Well, I'm sorry to disappoint, but it's never that easy.
Okay. Sounds pretty chill. Go about your business.
Joe, get in your truck and go.
Why
In
do
your
you
truck
have to
and
touch
go.
me? That is so racist. You know that's so racist.
Oh, everything's racist.
Yeah, it is. That's what y'all
all
do.
it is. It's only excuse you got.
That is what
The
y'all
fact
do.
that you don't have a driver's license, no
I do have
insurance,
a driver
expired
license.
tags.
I do have a driver
Has
license.
nothing to do with
and I
anything.
have
It's our
insurance.
fault, right?
And he didn't give me my insurance. Where's my driver license at?
That's going to be it to the point.
Oh no, but now
yeah.
you're taking my driver
That's
license. Why would you take my driver
Property of
license?
state of Ohio.
Never in my life had to go through this.
Property of state of Ohio.
Why is it property of state of Ohio? I
Because it's
never got my driver license. But I never got them taken.
You have to go to the court.
Just because other people don't want to do it the right way
But
doesn't
no,
mean
it's
we're
not
not.
the right way. Y'all just racist.
Okay,
You'll
we're
have
out
to-
here. You know what? We're done.
Yo, this is crazy. Cause there's still like 5 minutes left in the video. Bruh, just take your L and keep it pushing. Like, this is only gonna go worse. This is only gonna get worse. Like, all right, they towing the car. They ain't charging you with the little roach, and you know, you got your little, your little traffic tickets or whatever. Just get the walking or call an Uber, man. Fighting with the cops is gonna, oh man, this is gonna go south real quick, y'all.
You want to pull that car? We're right here. We're out here.
Everything is racist. Come on, man. Sarge handled it pretty well, though.
Ma'am, what are you doing? No, you shut up. Don't, no, I'm not going to. Get away from the car.
Ma'am.
Get outside.
Well, I am about to record them, and I'm showing them in court. You're racist.
You're already you're on video too, so don't
Okay,
step
and he's
aside.
been racist.
All right, let's get out of here, guys. Let's get out.
Ma'am, you're gonna have to move away from the vehicle. You're gonna get hurt. Oh, ma'am, you're gonna get hurt. You have to step away from the
Out of the
vehicle.
road. Get out of the roadway.
Hey! Stop!
Get off!
Stop!
Why are you touching me?
Stop
Why
it.
are you touching
Stop.
me? I didn't do anything.
Stop.
Why you? See, I'm not doing anything.
Standing in the street
I'm
and
not.
refusing
Why did I touch
This officer
you?
move his car after the police. Get out of the road.
I'm not doing anything.
Get away from the car.
I'm not doing anything.
It's obstruction and assault on a police officer.
I didn't touch nobody.
You punched me in the face.
No, I didn't.
You did.
Can you get off of me?
Stop.
Can you get off of me? Can you just get off of me? Why are you doing this to me? This is so... Can you get off of me?
No.
You Adam.
You're going to jail.
Why? Can you get off of me?
She is an idiot.
Can I get up?
No.
I'm crying. Y'all been in my head like this. Why y'all doing this? Can I just get up? Or can I just... Oh, my head is in the grass. This is so racist. I really...
No, punching me is racist.
Yes.
Fighting with you.
I didn't punch you. I promise I didn't punch you. Can y'all get me up? Y'all...
No.
No.
Why is this so tight, though?
Stop resisting. You won't be.
I'm not resisting. I
Yeah,
didn't
you
do
are.
anything.
We're fighting you. You're resisting.
I'm not fighting. Can
Stop
y'all get
resisting.
up? I'm not fighting anymore. I'm not.
I got another pair back here.
Can y'all please just get me up?
When we're done, you'll get up.
I didn't even.
Just relax.
I'm
Stop
relaxing,
resisting.
sir. I didn't do anything.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
You did.
Can y'all get me up, please?
Well, you will.
Just a
As soon
second.
as we handcuff you, we didn't trust you to punch somebody else in the
I
face.
didn't punch you, sir.
No.
Okay.
I didn't punch you. Do you have that on camera that I
Yep.
punched you? I
Yes.
didn't punch him. I promise I didn't punch him. I moved him out the way. I didn't punch him in the face.
Ma'am, you can't do that.
I can't move him out the way?
Nope.
Yeah, go ahead.
He grabbed me.
Yep. For a reason.
Okay.
Put your palms together, please. This way. We're a little busy, but we're okay. Put her palm down. Put her palm down. Palm down. Toward there. You go. There. I got her.
And y'all still bitch.
Stop resisting!
I'm not doing anything.
Stop pulling your arm away. That's called resisting.
I promise I'm not pulling
That's called resisting.
I'm not pulling my arm. That's the crazy part. I'm not even moving it.
Back in on it that way.
Can y'all please get off of me? I didn't even move.
Hold on, it's tightening up. Stop moving, man. Let me lock it so it doesn't tighten on you. Okay.
But all that time I was just doing that, I wasn't resisting. Huh?
Okay.
I'm
We're gonna stand you up.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Can I get my citation?
Yep, hold on.
I didn't hit you.
You slowly hit me in the side of the face.
Okay.
You did. It's all on
All right.
video.
I didn't hit you. I
Just
promise.
put it back in yours or mine. I don't
I
think.
didn't hit you. Can I get my phone, please?
It's on the ground.
I think Jim grabbed it.
No, it's over
No.
there.
Oh, is it? Okay, I'll grab it.
Over there?
We'll get it. We'll get it.
I didn't punch you, sir. No, I didn't.
Okay, well, we're not going to argue about it. It's on camera.
I didn't punch you. I didn't punch you. I promise I didn't punch you. Can you go get my phone, please?
Yeah, we'll get it. We'll get it. Ow.
What an idiot.
Because you're not listening.
I am about to come with
Over.
you.
This is in your way. Please scoot over.
Can I get my phone?
I have it.
Phone.
Can I get it, please?
You don't get it now.
Why can't I get my phone?
Watch it. Stop it. Move your knee
It's
over.
right here. It's going
Think she
right
gonna
there.
get? She thinks she gonna get her phone.
Look at her
I
in her purse.
already checked it all. We both checked it. She has some pills, but
Okay, well, there's
they're-
no weapons in it.
no, there's just prescription pills.
Okay.
None of them are controlled.
After the woman was arrested and brought to the station, she was charged with assault of a police officer, obstructing official business, resisting arrest, and driving with a suspended license.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.